Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo and let's do some more Leetcode problems today. Today's problem is called number of subarrays of size k and average greater than or equal to the threshold. It's a very long name. Okay, let's take a closer look. Given an array of integers array and two integers k and threshold, return the number of subarrays of size k and average greater than or equal to threshold. Okay, we were given these two integers here, and that allows us to find all the subarrays of size k with the average greater than or equal to threshold. Okay, it will be clearer if we take a look at example here. We have this as our input array, and we have k equals to 3 and threshold equals to 4. Okay, so we find all the subarrays from this original array of size 3, and we will take a look if the average is larger than or equal to 4, to this threshold. Okay, so clearly this is not the answer, and this is not the answer because the average is 2, not more than 4. Okay, and this one is not, and this one is one answer. Okay, because the average of these three elements is larger than 4. Okay, and here the average is 5, so that can be counted as 1, 2, and this one as well. Okay, so the final answer would be 3. Okay, so this will be the same thing, right? How should we approach this problem? For here, as I said, it looks like we're using a sliding window technique. Okay, so we're effectively finding all the subarrays of size k, and we calculate whether it passes the threshold or not along the way. Okay, so this should be pretty easy to implement. So for a sliding window, we need to have 2 pointers here. Okay, so we set up left to 0, and we will have a total sum. Also, we will have a final answer. Okay, and we're going to iterate this array with the right pointer, array.length, right, increment the right pointer. Okay, so the first thing we do is we add it to our sum. Okay, and if we have reached to k, the size of the subarray reaches to k, which is right minus left plus 1, if it equals to k, in the next iteration, we will first have to check whether it's something that we want. Okay, so if this is larger than or equal to threshold, we should increment the result. Okay, and after that, if right minus left plus 1 equals to k, so let's take a look at example here. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here the right pointer points to the index of 3. Okay, and the left pointer points to 0. So right minus left plus 1 equals to k. So we should be here, 2 minus 0 plus 1 equals to k. Okay, so in here, we calculate its average. If it's not, we know we have to go to the next iteration. So we can remove this element from our current window to here, and then go into next iteration with this. Okay, so we will have to subtract that and increment the left pointer. After that, we can return the results when right finishes the iteration. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, perfect. Looks like it passes the test case. First, complexity, we're iterating this array once, so it should be n and space. We're not actually using any other space. Okay, so let's submit it. Perfect. It worked very well, and this is another example of sliding window technique. Okay, especially the fixed size sliding window. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, if it helps you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in our next video.